This brown rot I found on a peach yesterday. I cut it out, and it didn't have this furry stuff yet, the spores, I think. And I wanted to do a test to see if baking soda would kill it or keep it from forming spores. So I poured a baking soda with water mixture. That was half a teaspoon of baking soda to a quart of water. And didn't do anything. Spores came in less than 12 hours. So does baking soda in water work? I mean, on YouTube people say, oh, it works to control fungus and all that stuff, but this time it didn't work. Next time I find this before spores, I'm gonna try a higher concentration of baking soda and do an update, because so far baking soda does not work on controlling brown rot.